Welcome to the Media Workshop Presents, the show where we share the very best work that our film and television students have produced over the last few years. My name is Wesley Ruitt. I'm a facilitator at the Media Workshop, an MICT CETA accredited Centre of Excellence based in Nelson Mandela Bay. We're a production company and a film school, offering year-long vocational qualifications in film and television production, focusing on teaching emerging filmmakers from previously disadvantaged backgrounds the skills they need to forge their own paths in the film and television industries. Over the next half hour, you'll be treated to short narrative films, public service announcements, and original music videos, all created by students on our FET and National Certificate level programs. Now, telling a compelling story in around 5 minutes is an immensely challenging task. You have to establish the world of your story, introduce your characters, make their goals and challenges clear, and provide a satisfying and memorable climax for your audience to remember, all in about the time it takes to boil a medium-sized egg. As such, short films usually represent the final challenge that our students must overcome before graduating. Over the years, we've seen everything from slapstick comedies to truly frightening horror movies. The stories are diverse and imaginative, but they all have one thing in common. They all reflect some aspect of the universal human condition that we all share.
Come on. Hey, let me join the club now.
Hey, but guys, tonight with Tigwayo, man. You know what? I had an idea. How about Sitaleni?
There's no time for ideas.
Yo, bro, let me
No.
What?
Pingy.
Yeah, okay.
Masiyenzi down. Masiyenzi.
Yeah, okay. I went. Do you know things that are being said by Landoa Pingy? Guys, coming out.
I also have ingredients oyenza the way.
Uzel prepared down.
So you took your mother's things?
So guys, yabona the way. Pingy, same time is gonna come. No? Flour.
What do you do with the egg?
He's gonna come. I want us to chant Pingy Upi. Pingy is from now 4 times. Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna say Pingy Upi sifuna udlala nawe 4 times. Yabo? Let's go. Pingy Upi sifuna udlala nawe. 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 And then
Ha, benitsumisa spana tani na lewe.
We just play the game we're playing, guys.
Come on.
Okay, let's go. Put away your pinky things.
Crazy, right? Okay.
Yeah, let's do it again. Is anyone expecting someone?
No.
School?
No.
Yes,
Check.
check them.
Let's go.
Pingy.
Guys! Come look! School, come look! He's here! Pinky is here! He's actually here! Come look!
Hey, Binzo! Praise! Guys!
Come!
No, Binzo!
Sambeni sogal, izani, sambeni.
Let's go, guys. Yeah.
Abarakadabra. Hi. Fresh son.
What did you do, Pinky?
Pinky mna ndenzanga
You
nix.
guys do.
Masame sogal.
Tenu ngandenzanga mna Pinky.
You guys do.
Yeah, mna udlala mtshaka wena Pinky.
Manu Pinky phansi kwami nawe. Thena ungabethi kakuhle ma.
Nguwe Pinky.
Ndaku.
Hi, man.
Wenza kodini?
You can't be like playing 30 seconds or Ludo or something.
No. You summoned me here. You play what I say you must play.
Man.
Why? Since you're so keen on playing Pinky, why don't you become Pinky for me?
Hey. Guys, what abantu wa?
Happy guys. Yabona ke lo Pinky wakho bethithe ngayo.
Hayi kaloku ayithethi loo nto leni play mama guys.
Hey guys, mna.
Thini ke kulena ku?
Chris 8.
Hayi alo crazy wakho wena No.
South Africa, as we know, is a country constantly grappling with extensive social issues. With that in mind, we often task our students, often for their very first project, with creating public service announcements, or PSAs, on the most pressing issues of the day. You can think of a PSA as a sort of advert, but instead of trying to sell a product, you're selling a cause. In under a minute, our students' PSAs inform, educate, and inspire. We use film for good.
Help us keep our residents active by donating any non-perishable food items.
Before I came to Ngosnati Foundation, my world was dark. But now I'm learning to see. I am now starting to navigate my world and to let my imagination soar.
Hi. Yeah, I'm so glad that you came. You know, the reason you're here is because I need you. I believe we both need each other. With that being said, would you please be my forever good friend? Yes.
The Umphanda Autism Foundation cares for children on the spectrum, provides for their unique needs, and nurtures their diverse talents.
But these kids are gifted. These kids are going to rule the world. If we can just give them the space, the stars are the starting points for them.
In 2025, the Media Workshop celebrates its 20th birthday. And over the last 20 years, we've come to realize that our students often harbor many hidden talents. In particular, we find that in almost every class, there's usually a handful of budding musicians who write and record and perform their own work. As a term project then, our students are tasked with creating original music videos for these original songs. From hip-hop to gospel, there's something for every taste.
If I'm in love with you, don't ever play with my heart. My love is true for you, I wish you'd roll out with you. Dark and brown and skin, they play with my heart. Teach me how to love, I don't know how to love. If your love is true, I wanna be in love with you. She don't have a child, I don't have no child. If your love is true, I wanna be with you. If your love is true, can I take you on a date? Table for two is only me and you. If your love is true, I wanna be in love with you. If I'm in love with you, don't ever play with my heart. My love is true for you. We should throw all that with you. Dark and brown in skin, they play with my heart. Teach me how to love, I don't know how to love. Yo, I love the way she hustle. He hustle like a man. She think about the future, she don't care about the booze. If I'm in love with you, don't ever play with my heart. My love is true for you. We should throw all that with you. Dark and brown in skin, they play with my heart. Teach me how to love, I don't know how to love. She like to go to church, she know how to sing. She sing with me when I'm writing at the stool. She wanna drop an album, she wanna drop with me. We wanna drop with me, we no longer drop together. If your love is true, I wanna be in love with you. If your love is true, I wanna be with you. If I'm in love with you, don't ever play with my heart. My love is true for you. We should throw all that with you. Dark and brown in skin, they play with my heart. Teach me how to love, I don't know how to love. Yo, I wanna love you the way I love my mom. I wanna be your peace when you're feeling stressed. I wanna be your pill when you're feeling those pain. I'd rather be against the world, babe, about you. If your love is true, I wanna be in love with you. If your love is true, I'm in love with you. Broken heart can never be fixed. Let's stop to use each other, start to loving each other. If I'm in love with you, don't ever play with my heart. My love is true for you. We should throw all that with you. Dark and brown in skin, they play with my heart. Teach me how to love, I don't know how to love. I don't care what the people say. Let's stop to use each other, start to loving each other. If I'm in love with you, don't ever ever play with my heart. My love is true for you. We should roll out with you, dark and brown in skin. They play with my heart. Teach me how to love, I don't know how to love.
Kudala and the seas, I'm now